Want to know how to change or update your payment information in Wish? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your wish.com application or your website itself. So the process is same. And now once you've done that, here you should be seeing on the top right side, you can just simply see your profile if you have login. So just simply hover on it or select it. And now once you've done that, here you should be seeing get help below rewards. So it should be on the bottom, so just simply select it. Now once you have selected get help, here you should be seeing various options. So simply scroll down a little bit until you see update payment info. So right here you can just simply check and update payment info. Before editing or updating the shipping or payment details, make sure you have checked in at least once in order to update it. If you haven't, it should show something like this. So if you haven't done it once, just simply head towards checkout and change it just like that, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.